Hello, sir. This is our company gate, our factory gate. I'm not standing at the gate of our HuaKe Industry Company Limited. We are one factory of producing spray wires. Yeah, this is one workshop. The one is the white one is a warehouse. Another is another workshop with a water tank for drawing the wires. You can see many trucks. Yeah, this is office building. If you have any need or order at spray wire, you can contact with us. HuaKe Spray Wire, best brand, best partner for you.